front of me is POCO C71, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by finding Gallery app and clicking on it. Now tap on Folders or Photos at the bottom and hold one of your chosen photos to get rid of. Now to select multiple at once, tap on those three dots at the top right corner, hit select all at the top, and then to keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones. To get rid of the rest, use bin button at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!